Taihe Hardware was founded in 1999, specialized in metal stamping and laser cutting industries, a high-tech enterprise that integrates design, research, development, production, and service. In 2009, officially audited and got ISO certification by international organization, DAS. In 2018, successfully got IATF certification, got 10 patents, approved as high technology enterprise, government-supported enterprise, and credit enterprise. Taihe has 3 engineering teams. One is R&D team, analyze precisely and optimize completely about product structure, material, function, tolerances, craft, mold type, surface treatment, assembling, quality, inspection standard, packing, transportation. Second is mold team, manufacturing mold and testing JIG. Third is cost optimizing and quoting engineering team. With their joint efforts, ensure customer feels satisfied for every project. All staff involved in quality control. When start new projects, we will hold meeting, set up SOP, confirm and publish technical and quality requirement in details. In production, operators keep on inspecting by JIG. IPQC check the products during processing in every 30 minutes. Production and quality manager do sampling check. Before packing, 100% full inspection for the appearance. So we ensure defective rate is less than 0.002%. Through over 20 years and serving 300 customers from more than 60 countries, Taihe enjoy good reputation from them. Welcome to send us your trust. We will bring you excellent result.